Hi, I'm Pat McDonald, Director of the Ohio Lottery. Our hearts go out to our family, friends, and Cash Explosion fans in the Dayton-Trotwood area who have been devastated by recent storms. 5 years ago, at Trotwood Madison High School, your generosity led to the single largest food donation to our Facing Hunger campaign. That donation helped feed thousands of Ohio families, and now we would like to help you all in your time of need. This month, we donated 3.5 tons of food to the Dayton Food Bank to help with disaster relief. If you would like to lend a hand, please visit thedaytondailynews.com for ways to volunteer and contribute. Thank you, and now enjoy tonight's edition of Cash Explosion.
Father's Day yet? Well, you are almost out of time.
Might we suggest a stack of Cash Explosion tickets? Listen, every summer we have at least 2 or 3 contestants right here in the spotlight who tell us they got their winning entry as a Father's Day gift.
Don't you want to be that hero for your dad?
Yes. Don't you? Son, Sebastian, listen to me. I'm talking to my kid right now. Listen. Couple bucks.
Sorry.
Sebastian.
You hosting the show and playing the game, that doesn't work. No,
yes, it does. Look. Hey,
no.
David, you ready to win? Yes, I am, David. All right, well, go ahead and pick your 3 numbers. Okay. I'll pick my 3 numbers.
No.
You know what? Forget it.
No.
I'm already starting to sweat. Yeah. You guys play and win. Right now, let's meet tonight's winners. Let's do that. I'm out of breath.
Tonight's contestants represent towns across Ohio,
but they're all headed to one destination, the Spotlight. David, ready to get the winning started?
I'm ready. The question is, are you? I know you've practiced her name a couple times. You ready?
Shahrazad, come on up to the Spotlight.
You must have got it right. She's coming up here.
Come on up to the Spotlight. Now, I want you to say your name for all of Ohio to have it correct here on Cash Explosion.
Shahrazad.
Shahrazad. See, I had it. Yeah, awesome. Well, welcome here to the Spotlight. You're our first player of the night. What's exciting about that is that you will definitely end up in those leader chairs, but you want to stay there, right?
Yes, I do.
Yes. Yeah. Awesome. Well, now you can pick your 3 numbers. Let's see you win big. 7, 14, and 18. If you like those, lock them in.
All right.
All right, let's say you start your game.
Money time.
It's money time, yes. What's behind 7? $2,700.
All right, we need bigger money time. What's behind the 14?
Bigger, more.
3,200. It's getting up there.
We're adding to that total with what's behind 18. $2,500. That's $8,400. And you can have a seat in our leader zone. Next up is Rachel. Rachel, now if you win $50,000, what are you going to do with your big winnings?
I am going to finish remodeling my house and buy a new car.
Nice. All right, well, let's get it happening. 10, 14, and 16. All right, turning here to our big board, you want to get at least $8,500. That will put you on the top. What's behind 10?
Double!
$3,400.
Good start. What's behind the 14?
Bonus! Come on, bonus!
$2,300.
Asking for a bonus or a double?
Come on, bonus!
Is it behind 16? $3,000. Rachel, that's $8,700. And that will put you at the top. You can have a seat in our leader zone.
All right, 2 down, 6 to go. It happens after this. Don't go away.
Congratulations to our very last Old School Superfan Challenge winner. A bundle of exclusive Cash Explosion merchandise is headed your way. And a big thanks to everyone who posted photos in this challenge. We got a kick out of it, and we hope you did too. And welcome back. Next up to win the lottery is Eddie.
Yes, that
spreading
kind of love?
Yes, got to spread love tonight. Big Cavs fan.
Nice. I love it. Well, you know, Eddie, everyone who comes here in the spotlight wins big money, which is the big draw to get on the show.
Yes.
But some people win a lot of money. And we're
Right.
talking $50,000. What would you do with that kind of money?
I would start a food truck business. That's my plan and goal. So hopefully I win enough to do that today. I'm ready to go.
Nice. Let's do it. 4, 7, and 13. All right, Eddie, $8,800.
Double and bonus. Let's
Double
go.
bonus.
Double
He's
and
calling
bonus.
it. What's behind 4? $3,100.
All right.
Ooh, let's
And
go.
behind the
Double
7,
bonus,
come on.
double bonus.
Something big. What's there?
Double bonus, come on.
3,400.
All right, let's go. Double
Good.
bonus.
We're adding to that with what's behind 13.
Double bonus, let's go.
$2,000. Eddie, that's $8,500. Congratulations. Well, Wayne is hoping to make his way to the top of the leaderboard. All right, Wayne.
How y'all doing?
So I'm looking at the signs, and this one looks very creative. Is that you riding on a tractor?
Yeah.
He paused for a minute, but that's what it looks like.
No, yeah, it kind of does. That's a barn in between there.
Okay, so you're a farmer.
Yeah.
Nice, awesome. Well, you're gonna win some big money to help you out on the
I
farm.
certainly hope so.
All right, let's do it. 1, 2, 3.
Very simple. Straight to the point.
All right, Wayne. 1, 2, 3. Those are your lucky numbers. What's behind 1? $2,900.
All right, how about 2? What's there? $2,000.
What big money behind 3? Is that what's there? $2,100. Wayne, that's $7,000. Congratulations. We'll see you in the second chance game.
All right, congratulations. Enjoy that. All right, here's the deal. I have no power over it, but I'm going to do my best to find bonuses and doubles for these next 4 contestants. We'll see if it happens after this. Don't go away. Welcome back to Cash Explosion. We're halfway through. Jack, lead us into the second half. Come on up here. Jack, how you doing? All right, so tomorrow is Father's Day.
Right.
And this is kind of a Father's Day gift to you.
Yes, it is.
Your daughter is letting you play.
Right.
Is your daughter here?
Yeah, she's right
there.
there,
She
yeah.
is. So this is it. This is the Father's Day gift ends after tonight. She said she'll share.
Now
That's
that you
only
put her on
because
the spot.
that's only because she's on camera right now. All right, Jack.
Can I have a quick shout out
yes,
to
absolutely.
all military families, military personnel, veterans past and present.
Yes.
Never forget.
Thank you for your service.
Awesome. And you were in the Coast Guard.
Yes, sir.
For how many years?
20 years.
20 years. Well, thank you for your service.
welcome.
We appreciate it. Let's win some money. 3, 14, and 18. Locked them in. All right. Here, I want to see some bonuses and doubles. We haven't seen them yet
I'm
this game.
getting them both.
You get them both?
I'm getting all of them.
All right, let's start with
let's
the
do
3 then. Is it there? All right, 2,800. Still 2 chances.
Yes. What is behind 14?
Double.
Whoa!
$1,000.
That is very good. That is very good. What's behind the 18?
Bonus.
$2,600. No bonus or double, but look what happened. You just went to the top of the leaderboard. $10,400. That's how you do it. Sonia, come on up here. What a couple very loud friends and family up there.
Family,
Yeah.
all out.
Yeah, yeah.
out.
You gotta love it right now, right?
I do.
And you're here because a store owner gave you the ticket.
For my birthday this year.
Wow.
Yes.
So let me ask you this: was it a ticket pre-scratched, or did he give you an entry ticket?
He gave me an entry ticket.
Nice.
And does he know now that you're on the show?
He does know.
Okay, and he's about to find out how much he gave you for your birthday.
Yes, he is.
Let's find out together.
Okay.
Here we go.
Oh, can I give a shout out?
Yes, absolutely.
To my Taco Bell family.
To your Taco Bell family. What about the guy that actually gave you the ticket?
I already told him yesterday.
All right, 7, 11, and 2. She's locked up in. What's behind the 7?
Come on, double!
Oh!
Yay!
What a birthday gift.
Yes.
You're about to win at least $10,000 on this bonus board. 16 of the top Ohio Lottery games over here. Just pick one of them and you win what's behind it.
Give me my $1 million payday.
$1 million payday. The first glimpse into your birthday gift.
Yes.
How much is it? Go. Climbing. 6, 8, $9,000. How often does somebody give you $10,000 for your birthday?
Never.
Never. Until today.
Yes.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
We're gonna move that over to the big board. Now we actually start your game. What's behind the 7? $2,400. It's a good first turn. 12,400 in one turn.
We are adding to that with what's behind 11. $3,200.
All right, need 3,200 will move you into second place. 3,200 or more. What's behind the 2? 2,700. All right, you moved up a little bit, but right now you're at $18,300, and you get a shot at the second chance in just a couple minutes. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Curtis, come on up. Curtis, the good news is this. She didn't take the only trip to the bonus board.
Right.
It's back on this board somewhere. Doubles are up here. Can you help me prove to people that doubles are on this board?
Sure.
Let's see what you can do. Let's find them, Curtis. 5, 10, 12. Lock them in. Looking to get to the top of the leaderboard with what's behind the 5. What's there? Well, I asked you, and you were serious. You helped me out. Let's turn back and look at the spotlight here. You're gonna pick one of those letters. We're gonna double what's behind whatever letter you pick. T? All right. What is behind the T? What are we doubling? 2,000, that becomes $4,000. That's a good first turn.
That is really good. Show us what's behind 10. $3,000.
All right. And behind the 12, 2,600. That is enough to move you, Curtis, into second place with $9,600. Congratulations.
The leaderboard's been changing, but Jack has been sitting comfortably, but Larry is waiting for his turn of the spotlight, and that's coming up.
Welcome back to Cash Explosion. Larry, now come on up. Hey, Larry.
All right.
We had to restrain Larry during the break. He kept wanting to
Right.
get out of his chair and get up here and play.
He's ready.
You're
ready.
finally
Ready to
here.
win.
Yeah.
Here's the cool thing about being the last player.
Okay.
You know exactly how much you need to win to get to the cash challenge. It's not even to the top of the leaderboard. You just need $9,700 to guarantee a spot in the cash challenge.
Okay.
Curtis doesn't want you to find that, though.
Oh, Curtis, your history.
Oh, trash talking. Let's find our 3. 7, 11, and 13. Lock them in. 9,700 is the total you need to
Big
get
bucks?
to. What's behind the 7? 3,400. That's
Big
a good
bucks,
start.
that's a start. Come on
Behind
now.
11.
11. Bonus. Oh, come on, baby.
Here we go. What is behind the 13?
A double.
Bonus! All right, so we have to wait a bit more to find out if you get enough to get the cash
I'll
challenge.
deal with that.
But right, I was going to say, this is the best way to wait. The bonus board, now 15 of the top Ohio Lottery games left up there.
Okay, I'm going to take the rolling cash.
Rolling cash 5.
Yes.
Here we go. How much has he won behind the rolling cash 5?
Big money. I need that truck.
1,
Come on, roll it. Roll it. Roll it, baby.
there we go. $10,000. Yeah! $10,000. Oh, All right,
Wow.
so that's a good day.
That is a real good day.
Okay, so let's move that over there. All right, so you've already had a good day because of the bonus bucks.
Yes.
Now we'll find out how good it is as far as you get to the cash challenge. or
3
not.
more grand would work fine.
No, 3,300 would work fine. 3
All right.
grand would keep you out of second place.
I'm not greedy.
Okay, what's behind the 13?
Go!
$8,500. That's $9,900. You went to second place. You're gonna play for $50,000, but right now you have $19,900. Let's head over to the leader zone. All right, the game is finished. At the top of the leaderboard, Jack and Larry. Jack, your totals are being doubled to $20,800. Larry, you go to $19,800 plus your $10,000 in bonus bucks. You guys are going to face a tough defending champion, and Donna, after the break, we find out who else will be there from the second chance. Don't go away.
Congratulations.
Thank you, guys.
Tonight's winning numbers and the winners of a spot on the August 10th Cash Explosion Show are coming your way live from the Ohio Lottery Studios in Cleveland. Good luck. These players have one more very important choice to make tonight. Whoever chooses the letter with the highest number behind it automatically wins $5 grand and the opportunity to play in the cash challenge for $50 grand. Shahrazad, come on up. You looked at me like you're surprised I pronounced your name right. All right, what letter would you like?
A.
The A in chance. Thank you very much. Rachel, come on up. What letter would you like?
The N in chance.
The N in chance. Thank you very much. Eddie, what letter would you like?
S.
The S in second. All right. Wayne, come on up. Wayne, they're hollering out letters for you. You listening to them or you know your number, your letter?
The second C in chance.
The second C in chance. There you go. Thank you. Sonia, come on up. Your family up there, they're yelling.
The O.
The O in second. And last but not least, Curtis, come on up here. What letter?
D.
The D in second. All right. Who is going to the cash challenge? Eddie! Your second chance, Eddie, has paid off.
The name we see 3 times will be tonight's champion. And Donna, as defending champion, you've been over here praying.
I've been over here praying.
You have been. All right, let's see how you do. Pick a number.
8.
8. Who's behind 8? Larry starts off on our board. Jack.
6.
6. Reveal 6. Donna. Little yes, little yes. Larry, looking for your name
7.
again. 7. Who's behind 7? Jack. Eddie, where's your name hidden?
1.
1. Who's there behind 1? Donna. Donna, you find your name. That's $100,000. Looking at her family for some help.
Number 5.
Number 5.
Please, please.
Who is behind 5? Larry. Jack, you trying to stay away from Larry and Donna right now.
9.
9. Do we have a winner behind 9? Eddie on the board. Larry, looking for your name in that $50,000.
I'm going to take number 11.
Number 11. Who's there?
Me.
Eddie! Eddie!
12.
You find your name! If you find this, that's $50,000.
It's 12.
If it's Larry, that's $50,000. If it's Donna, that's $100,000. If it's Jack, the game keeps going. Who is behind 12? Eddie!
You see what John? Come on over. Let's see it. Come on in. We want to get you on TV.
What a night. All of tonight's winners are going home with more than $6 grand.
We want to wish a very happy Father's Day to all the dads out there. Good night, Ohio. Second chance. Second chance, Eddie. How's that feel?
Congratulations.
All right.
Congratulations.